Teens among four charged for Manchester murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 3 teens are among 4 persons charged for the murder of a 50-year-old man who has been identified as O'Neill Francis in Greenvale, Mandeville, Manchester. Charged are 19-year-old laborer Miguel Myers, 24-year-old Kirkland Antoine, otherwise called Ratty, 18-year-old welder Rajani Griffiths, and a 17-year-old boy, all of Greenvale District in Mandeville, Manchester. The police report that at about 9 p.m. on Saturday, March the 12th, an argument developed between Antoine and Francis when all 4 accused attacked him and chased after him. Antoine allegedly inflicted wounds to Francis' abdomen and robbed him of cash. A police report was made around 7 a.m. and on Sunday, March the 13th, residents discovered the body of Francis in bushes with multiple stab wounds. The police were alerted back to the area, and upon their arrival the scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. All 4 persons were taken into custody and charged with the murder on Friday, March the 18th following an investigation. Their court date is to be finalized. Continuing the news, Deliveryman killed in St. Elizabeth crash. 32-year-old Siobhan Tugman, a deliveryman of MacLeod Close, Old Harbour Base, St. Catherine, died on Friday from injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle crash along the Peppermint Road in St. Elizabeth. Reports from the Santa Cruz police are that at around 9 a.m., Tugman was driving a Toyota Hiace towards Santa Cruz when it is alleged that he lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a tree. He was thrown from the vehicle. The police were alerted and he was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The St. Elizabeth police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news items. Thanks for watching.